HeyGen just dropped something that's going to change everything about content creation forever. I'm talking about AI avatars that look so real, you won't believe they're fake. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI avatar in under 30 seconds. Then I'll show you how to automate the entire process so you can pump out videos while you sleep. This is not just another AI tool. This is the future of social media. And if you're not using this, you're already behind. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create unlimited content without ever showing your face again. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me blow your mind for a second. The video you're watching right now was created with an AI avatar. That's right, what you're seeing isn't actually me recording in real time. It's an AI version of me that can say anything I want, anytime I want. And here's the crazy part. It took me less than 30 seconds to set this up. No cameras, no lighting, no recording equipment, just pure AI magic. But wait, it gets better. I'm about to show you how to automate the entire process so you can create unlimited videos without lifting a finger. We're talking about research, script writing, video creation, and even posting to social media. All automated. Think about this for a second. How many times have you wanted to create content but didn't feel like recording? How many times have you had great ideas but didn't have the time or energy to set up your camera? Those days are over. With AI avatars, you can create content 24/7. You can be in multiple places at once. You can scale your content production like never before. And the best part? The technology is so good now that most people can't even tell it's AI. I've been testing this for weeks and the results are insane. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, you need to create your avatar inside HeyGen. This is the platform that makes all the magic happen. The setup process is ridiculously simple. You just need a 30-second video of yourself talking. That's it. HeyGen takes that video and trains an AI model that can mimic your face and expressions. Here's what you need to do. Record yourself for 30 seconds. Make sure you're looking directly at the camera. Good lighting helps, but it's not required. Upload that video to HeyGen and wait about 10 minutes for the processing to complete. Once it's done, you'll have your very own AI avatar that can say anything you want. You can change the voice, adjust the resolution up to 4K, and even choose different angles and looks. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can create multiple avatars, different outfits, different backgrounds, different styles. Imagine having a whole team of AI versions of yourself creating content around the clock. Now let's talk about voice cloning because this is where things get really wild. Using tools like 11 Labs, you can clone your voice with just a few minutes of audio. I've connected my voice clone to my HeyGen avatar, and the results are scary good. It sounds exactly like me. The inflection, the tone, the way I emphasize certain words, it's all there. This means you can create content in your own voice without ever speaking. You just type the script and your AI avatar speaks it in your voice. It's like having a digital twin that works for you 24/7. But here's where we take this to the next level. Instead of manually creating each video, we're going to automate everything using N8N. N8N is a workflow automation tool that can connect different services together. Think of it as the brain that controls your entire content creation machine. Here's how the automation works. First, we use a research agent to scrape the latest news from Reddit or Twitter. This agent finds trending topics and pulls the most relevant information. Then we feed that information to a script writing agent. This AI takes the research and turns it into a compelling video script. No more writer's block, no more staring at a blank page. Finally, we send that script to HeyGen, which creates the video using your AI avatar. The entire process happens automatically without any input from you. Let me break down the technical setup because this is where most people get stuck. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. First, you need to get your HeyGen API key. Go to your HeyGen settings, click on subscriptions and API, then grab your API key. This is what allows N8N to communicate with HeyGen. Next, you'll set up the HTTP request in N8N. This is basically telling N8N how to send information to HeyGen. You'll need your avatar ID and your voice ID from HeyGen. To get your avatar ID, go to your avatars in HeyGen, click on the avatar you want to use, then click the three dots and copy the avatar ID. For the voice ID, go to AI Voice, find your voice clone, and copy that ID. Once you have all these pieces, you plug them into your N8N workflow and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the research agent because this is what makes your content valuable. Nobody wants to watch generic content. People want fresh, relevant information. The research agent uses Firecrawl to scrape information from social media platforms. I've set it up to search Reddit and Twitter for the latest news in whatever niche you're targeting. Here's what's cool about this. The agent doesn't just grab random posts, it looks for high-quality content with engagement. It finds the posts that are already performing well and extracts the key insights. This means your content is always based on what people are actually talking about. You're not guessing what's trending, you're using real data to create content that resonates. The script writing agent is where the magic happens. This AI takes the research from the previous step and turns it into a compelling video script. I've trained this agent to write in my style. It knows how to create hooks, build tension, and deliver value. It understands how to structure a video for maximum retention. But here's the key, the script needs to be in plain text format. No HTML, no formatting, no special characters. Just clean, readable text that HeyGen can process. The agent creates scripts that are engaging, informative, and perfectly suited for video content. It knows how to create open loops that keep viewers watching until the end. Once you have your video created, you don't want to stop there. You want to distribute it across multiple platforms to maximize your reach. This is where the auto-posting automation comes in. Using a tool called BlowAuto, you can automatically post your videos to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. The workflow takes the video URL from HeyGen and uploads it to whatever platforms you choose. You can customize the captions, hashtags, and descriptions for each platform. Imagine this. You create one piece of content and it gets automatically distributed to 10 different platforms. Your reach multiplies instantly without any extra work. Here's something most people don't realize. We're about to see a massive flood of AI-generated content. The barriers to content creation are disappearing. Anyone can now create professional-looking videos without any technical skills. The playing field is leveling, and the competition is about to get intense. But here's the thing. If you start now, you'll have a massive advantage. You'll understand the technology, you'll have your systems in place, and you'll be ready to scale when everyone else is still figuring it out. Let me give you some real-world examples of how you can use this technology. If you're a business owner, you can create product demos, customer testimonials, and educational content without ever being on camera. If you're a coach or consultant, you can create course content, client updates, and marketing videos while you're sleeping. Your AI avatar can deliver your message 24/7. If you're in e-commerce, you can create product reviews, unboxing videos, and comparison content at scale. Imagine having hundreds of product videos without filming a single one. The creative possibilities are endless. You can create avatars of fictional characters, historical figures, or even fantasy creatures. I've seen people create AI avatars of Bigfoot, Roman soldiers, and mythical creatures. You can create entire films with AI avatars. No actors, no crew, no expensive equipment, just your imagination and AI technology. You can create personalized content for different audiences, different avatars for different niches, different voices for different demographics. Now let's talk about taking this beyond basic automation. The workflow I've shown you is just the beginning. You can add layers of complexity that make your content even more valuable. For example, you can add sentiment analysis to your research agent. This means it doesn't just find trending topics, it finds topics that people are emotional about. Emotional content performs better. You can add competitor analysis. Your research agent can monitor what your competitors are talking about and create content that fills the gaps in their strategy. You can add SEO optimization. Your script writing agent can create content that's optimized for search engines, helping your videos rank higher. One thing I need to address is quality. Some people think AI content is low quality by default. That's not true. The quality of your AI content depends on how well you set up your systems. If you use high quality training data, write good prompts, and fine-tune your agents, your AI content can be better than manually created content. It's more consistent, more data-driven, and more scalable. The key is in the details. The research needs to be thorough, the scripts need to be well-structured, the avatars need to be properly trained. Different platforms have different requirements and audiences. Your automation needs to account for this. YouTube prefers longer-form content with strong hooks and retention elements. TikTok wants short, punchy content with trending sounds. Instagram needs visually appealing content with strategic hashtags. Your automation can create platform-specific versions of the same content. Same research, same core message, but optimized for each platform's unique requirements. Here's something most people miss. When you automate your content creation, you generate massive amounts of data. You can see which topics perform best, which scripts get the most engagement, which avatars resonate with your audience. This data becomes your competitive advantage. You can optimize your content based on real performance metrics, not just gut feelings. You can A/B test different approaches at scale, different hooks, different structures, different calls to action. The data tells you what works and what doesn't. The AI landscape changes fast. New tools, new features, new possibilities emerge every week. The key is to stay flexible and keep experimenting. The workflow I've shown you today is just the foundation. You can build on top of it, modify it, and adapt it as new technologies become available. The companies and creators who succeed in the next few years will be the ones who embrace AI early and learn to use it effectively. I need to address the elephant in the room. There are ethical considerations with AI avatars. People need to know when they're watching AI-generated content. I always disclose when I'm using AI avatars. Transparency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful business. Use this technology responsibly. Don't try to deceive people. Use it to enhance your content creation, not to mislead your audience. If you want to get started with this technology today, here's what you need to do. First, sign up for HeyGen and create your first avatar. Start with something simple just to get familiar with the platform. Next, set up your N8N workflow. Start with the basic version I've shown you. Get that working first before you try to add complexity. Then, experiment with different types of content. Try different topics, different styles, different approaches. See what works for your audience. Everything I've shown you today is available in my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share all my automation workflows, templates, and strategies. You get the complete HeyGen automation workflow that I've built. You get the research agents, the script writing agents, and the auto-posting workflows. Everything is ready to import into N8N, but it's not just about the technical stuff. The AI Profit Boardroom is where we discuss strategy, share ideas, and help each other grow. We have live coaching calls 3 times a week where I answer questions and help you optimize your automations. We're constantly adding new workflows based on what the community wants. If you have an idea for an automation, we'll build it and share it with everyone. Now, if you want to take your business to the next level, you need more than just content creation. You need a complete digital marketing strategy. That's why I'm offering free SEO Strategy Sessions where we'll analyze your current situation and create a custom plan to get you more leads and customers. The link is in the comments and description. In these sessions, we'll look at your website, your competition, and your target market. We'll identify the biggest opportunities and create a roadmap to get you there. For those of you who want to dive deeper into AI automation, check out the AI Success Lab. This is where I share over 100 different AI use cases and step-by-step tutorials. You'll see exactly how I've built my automation systems. You'll get access to all the video notes, templates, and resources. Plus, you'll join a community of over 14,000 members who are all working on similar projects. The AI Success Lab is where the real magic happens. It's where you'll learn to think like an AI entrepreneur and build systems that scale your business. The future of content creation is here. AI avatars aren't just a cool novelty, they're a legitimate business tool that can save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars. The question isn't whether you should use this technology, the question is whether you'll start today or wait until everyone else is already using it. The early adopters always win, they get the best results, they build the biggest audiences, and they make the most money. Don't wait. Start today, create your first AI avatar, build your first automation workflow. Join the AI revolution before it leaves you behind. The tools are available, the knowledge is available, the only thing missing is your decision to take action. So, what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's time to claim your piece of it. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you think about AI avatars. Are you ready to join the revolution?